Hey everyone! Welcome back to Future Phone Flash, your ultimate destination for the latest in mobile technology. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. With just a week to go until their official announcement, we have a lot to cover about these exciting new foldable phones. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. No boost in charging speed. First up, let's talk about charging speeds. Unfortunately, Samsung isn't bringing any improvements in this area. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will stick with the same 25W fast wired charging that we've seen in previous models, including the Z Fold 2, 3, 4, and 5. This means you can expect the same charging times as before, which might be a letdown for those hoping for a quicker charge. Samsung has been focusing on other areas of enhancement this time around, so faster charging will have to wait for a future iteration. Design and display enhancements. While the charging speed remains unchanged, Samsung is introducing some notable design improvements. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is rumored to have slightly shorter and wider screens with thinner bezels, making for a more immersive viewing experience. These changes aim to provide a better balance and a more comfortable hold. For those who aren't fans of the crease on foldable screens, there's some good news. It's said to be less noticeable now, which should make the display look more seamless. Additionally, for added durability, the frame will now feature titanium side rails. This change is designed to offer extra strength without compromising on weight, making the phone sturdier and more resilient against drops and impacts. Power and performance. Moving on to performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which promises significant improvements in speed and efficiency. This will be coupled with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and a responsive user experience. Storage options will range from 256 GB to a whopping 1 TB, catering to both average users and powered users who need more space for apps, photos, videos, and other data. On the camera front, we're looking at a comprehensive setup. The front will feature a 10MP selfie camera, perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. The rear setup includes a 50MP primary camera that promises sharp and detailed photos, a 12MP ultra-wide camera for capturing more expansive scenes, and a 10MP telephoto camera for better zoom capabilities. The under-display camera might still be the same 4MP as its predecessor, which could be a slight disappointment for some, but it will be interesting to see how it performs with any potential software optimizations. Software and battery life. The Z Fold 6 will come with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6.0 right out of the box, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience with the latest features and enhancements. Samsung promises up to 7 years of Android OS and security updates, which means your device will stay current and secure for a long time. The phone will feature a 4,400 mAh battery, which, while not increased in capacity, should benefit from the more power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor and a more efficient display. This combination is expected to provide better battery life compared to previous models. Additional features include a side-mounted fingerprint reader for quick and secure unlocking, stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience, and an IPX8 rating for water resistance, ensuring the device can handle splashes and brief submersion in water. The mysterious Fold 6 Slim. There's also been some buzz around a new addition to the foldable lineup, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. According to the well-known leaker, Ice Universe, this model will focus on being thinner rather than featuring higher-end specs, which is why it won't be called Ultra. This device is expected to cater to users who prioritize portability and sleek design over cutting-edge specifications. The Fold 6 Slim will likely feature a streamlined design that makes it easier to carry and handle, appealing to those who want a foldable phone that doesn't compromise on convenience. While it might not have all the high-end features of the standard Fold 6, Its thinner profile could make it an attractive option for users looking for a more compact foldable phone. Certification and connectivity. First up, we have some official confirmations. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 have received certification from Secure MIT, verifying that they will support dual SIM 5G connectivity. While this isn't groundbreaking news, it's reassuring to have this confirmed as it ensures these devices will be ready for the latest in mobile networking technology. Improved performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The real excitement begins with performance upgrades. Both models are set to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This upgrade promises significant enhancements in both performance and efficiency compared to their predecessors, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5, which were equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This means faster processing, better graphics, and improved battery life, taking your mobile experience to the next level. Sleeker, modern design. Samsung is pushing the envelope with the design of these new foldables. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will feature a boxier and sharper design, providing a sleeker and more modern aesthetic. Additionally, the foldable displays are set to have a less noticeable crease, significantly enhancing the overall visual appeal and user experience. Detailed design insights. Thanks to we have clearer images of a dummy unit of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The phone appears to be wider than the Galaxy Z Fold 5, suggesting larger outer and inner displays. This design improvement is expected to enhance usability and provide a better user experience. Furthermore, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have flatter sides and sharper edges, giving it a cleaner and more elegant look. Camera and additional features. From the dummy unit images, we can see that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature 3 rear cameras, a volume button, and a fingerprint scanner on the right-hand side. This design aligns with previous leaks and renders, providing a clearer picture of what we can expect from the final product. Accidental leak on Samsung's website. In a surprising twist, some sharp-eyed fans discovered images of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 on Samsung's Kazakhstan website, seemingly published by accident. Outro. These updates mark an exciting milestone in mobile technology. Are you eagerly anticipating the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest developments. This is Future Phone Flash, signing off for now. Stay tuned for more insights into the future of mobile innovation.